Hey everyone. If you're fed up with Windows 10 reaching end of support, or you're finding Windows 11 a little confusing, today I'll show you a Linux distro that makes the switch from Windows as painless as possible: Kubuntu. In this video, I'll cover why it's a great choice for Windows users, what apps and features you get out of the box, how it runs on older hardware, and what you need to know about gaming and support. Why Kubuntu is an easy switch. If you care about familiarity, the desktop matters. Kubuntu ships the KDE experience, which looks and behaves in ways Windows users will find comfortable: a taskbar, a single application launcher, system tray, and highly configurable menus. KDE's launcher and panel options let you shape the desktop to feel very much like the Windows Start menu taskbar setup, so basic tasks, opening programs, switching windows, or pinning favorites behave predictably. Included apps you'll actually want to use. Kubuntu comes with a set of polished KDE apps that replace common Windows utilities: a full-featured file manager, a capable PDF/document viewer, a terminal, screenshot tool, and more. These are not lightweight throwaways. They're actively maintained and designed to integrate with the desktop. That reduces the "now where do I find X" friction when you first switch. Phone pairing and productivity. One standout is KDE Connect. It links your phone and PC over the local network so you can share files, view notifications, sync clipboards, and even control media remotely. I found it more reliable than many vendor phone link solutions, and it's free and open source. If you like your phone and PC to just work together, KDE Connect is a big win. Finding and installing apps. Installing software is straightforward thanks to the Discover app, a graphical software center that lets you search, install, and update apps from multiple sources: distribution repos, Flatpak, Snap, etc. It handles updates too, so you don't need to learn command line package commands just to stay up to date. For people used to Microsoft Store friction, Discover is a nice, intuitive replacement. Performance and older hardware. Linux distributions like Kubuntu are generally lighter than modern Windows releases. You can reduce visual effects or change compositor settings if you're on an older machine, and many users report big responsiveness gains on laptops that struggled with Windows 11. For baseline hardware guidance, Ubuntu family system recommendations are a reasonable reference point. Modern desktop behaves best with 4 GB plus RAM, but lighter installs can run on less. Gaming on Kubuntu. What to expect. Gaming on Linux has come a long way thanks to Valve's Proton compatibility layer integrated into Steam. Many Windows games run fine through Proton, and community resources like ProtonDB help you check compatibility on a per-game basis. That said, not every title will work perfectly. Some anti-cheat systems block Proton, and a few developers do not officially support Linux. But for most casual and many AAA titles, Steam plus Proton is an effective solution. Which Kubuntu release to pick? Kubuntu follows the Ubuntu release cycle. If you want the most rock-solid experience with longer support, choose an LTS, long-term support, release. If you prefer fresher software, non-LTS releases give newer packages but require more frequent upgrades. Check the official Kubuntu download page before you upgrade or install so you know which releases are currently supported. Support and community. Because Kubuntu is based on the Ubuntu ecosystem, which in turn draws on the massive Debian family, there's huge documentation and community help available. That means when you hit a problem, chances are someone has already written the step-by-step solution online. Combine that with active KDE community forums and documentation, and troubleshooting becomes manageable even for newcomers. Quick install tips. 1. Back up your files. 2. Try Kubuntu in live mode from a USB to test hardware, Wi-Fi, sound, and graphics. 3. If you plan to dual boot, create space on your drive ahead of time and pick Install alongside carefully. 4. After install, run the update tool, Discover or the Update Manager, and install proprietary GPU drivers if needed for gaming or performance.
If you're switching from Windows, Kubuntu is one of the friendliest paths available. A familiar desktop, useful bundled apps, excellent phone integration, and a big community to lean on. If you want, I can make a follow-up video showing a step-by-step install, how to set up KDE Connect, and a quick gaming checklist. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe if you want the install walkthrough, and drop your Kubuntu questions in the comments.